Jammers. Hey, Jammers. Sorry. It's me, Molly673. I have to do the training grounds because I just got this Arctic wolf. Because I sell my animals a lot. And don't ask where I got the warren. My little sis gave it to me. Ugh, best sister ever. Somehow she unadded me. It's sad, but she gave me a warren and this freedom hat and this phantom necklace. I love her. She's awesome. I love my sister. This is so easy. I was a level 100, but then my cousin deleted my Arctic wolf. That was the level 100. So, yeah. I don't know why adventures are so easy. But, I'm just gonna join them. An adventure. Don't care. Alright. So, this is Return of the Phantoms. Of course, you have to do... It's to get rares. Usually I don't get rares, but whatevs. If you didn't know this, there's a secret passageway to get treasure. 50 gems, not that much. Oh crap, what did I do? Oh, thought I clicked on something. But I'm watching the weird show right now. Oh crap. Hi, Mr. Phantom. You're nice. Alright. I'm watching a show called Taste Buds on Cubo channel. It's because I have nothing else to watch. I'm watching my cousin's show. Ow! Bad Phantom. Mean Phantom. And yes, I do have two warrens. I have a pink one, and I had a red one and this one, but then this girl traded me, and then yeah. I'm really trying to save up for a rare headdress or just a plain headdress. Doesn't really care to me what kind of headdress it is. I just want a headdress. I mean, I would like it to be rare. One time, somebody traded me a rare headdress for this phantom necklace, and I'm like, but then they quick exit out of it, so I'm like, seriously? And everyone knows that there's a treasure here. Oh, and there's also secret treasure down here. Clicked on the chat bomb thing. And it's also down here, so 100 gems, not that much, but whatevs. I just bought this Arctic wolf before I started this video, so that's why I was doing the training grounds video. Not the video, but I was doing the tour thingy-mabobber, whatever you may call it. My dog is laying here. So cute. His name is Murphy. He's a Shih Tzu. Why does this adventure have to be so dang easy? But I love it because I get treasure. But ugh. I want it when I get a bunny burrow, I'm gonna decorate it just like they did. I'll have it behind the couch, and then I'll have like the little toys and stuff. Except for that little thing. I don't think you can buy these anymore. I like this adventure because it's short. And everybody knows You should be an Arctic wolf yourself or go with someone who is an Arctic wolf and you will get to go to the cave. Okay, wait till the light goes out on this. Go. Now let's hope I get something good this time. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, scary horns. I could use that. Fashion shows are pretty fun. Alright. Sometimes I don't like finishing adventures. Alright, come on. And this phantom is being a butt. Come on, Mr. Phantom. Thank you. He's a nice phantom. And in the hard mode, it's 300 gems, I believe. But come and get me, Mr. Phantom. There we go. Oh snap. Alright. I should just do that so they don't get me. Oh, what? I don't even have a key. That was weird. Sorry, I was being silent for a minute. I don't know why, but during videos, I just like being silent. And sometimes I play music and talk on with my chat, or I just talk like this. But usually I talk like this because I get to interact with my fans. But please, please subscribe. I mean, like seriously, you guys. Thank you. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. 2 more keys and I'll be done. Ugh. Hold on. I just want to know where the key is, and then I don't have to tell you. Where? Oh, it's over here. Okay. That works. Alright. I think freedom hacks look the best on Arctic wolves. I don't really know why, but I just think that. There isn't a color to match this. The wands. Well, I mean, the pink one. But not the red and the blue one that I'm wearing right now. Ow! Butt hurts. I've been sitting here for a long time. I did make quite a few videos sitting here. Bye, Mr. Key. Alright. I wish they had freedom hats and the other top hats in stores. But for members only, because it would just be easier that way. Alright. Well, we need to choose this carefully. Let's pick this one. 500 gems! Woohoo! Sweet. Alright. How much gems do I have? Woohoo! 2,000. I'm gonna get rid of this. Probably not gonna wear that. Will I wear that? No, I'll just sell that. I sell the stuff I don't really want to wear. Yay! Okay. I wanna see. I don't know what den I should get. I'll probably get the barn and then have leftover money to buy furniture. Okay. Let's see if I can go push inventory hard. Jma Township. Yeah, I'll just go then. Oh, he's a non-member. That's nice. Oh yeah, this is hard version. Oh yeah. Crap, I need to get the key. I'm just gonna run through. Like I found out in other videos, you just want to run through it. Oh, what? Oh, sad. Okay, this is gonna be the end of my video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye, Jmas.